Welcome to Cooking with an Idiot. I'll be your idiot for today, and we are going to be baking. Right, I really fancied baking a cake for a while, so I went out and I got all these ingredients, and then I realized that I had all these ingredients already, but I've now just spent money on them, so I have to use them, and I'm standing way too low. We're going to be baking a cake. I am terrible at cooking, so this should be absolutely fun. Right, so cake mix. Look, it's got all these like sprinkles and whatnot in it. Thought it'd be nice. Oh, it might be nice. Do I pour the whole bag in it? I'm just going to presume I pour the whole bag in it. You see, I've only ever made cakes where I do it from scratch. I've never actually used one of these. I used to be baking all the time with my grandma. But, does it want me to, if it wants me to sieve it, it's fine. Right. Beat eggs, add water, oil, and mix the cake together. Whisk by hand or electric whisker. Whisker. Right. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Nicely done. Ooh. Right, so that is one weird way of cracking an egg. But the good news about doing it this way is that you get no eggshells falling into your egg mix. I'm going to wash my hands. Yeah. Go. I've only got one jug, but considering all the ingredients are going to get mixed together anyway, I don't really think it matters. Cool. Mix. Very self-explanatory. Do not eat unbaked batter. That's beautiful. Gotta wash your hands because I just ate raw batter. Right, so for anyone who hasn't seen what these are, so this is what your cake goes on, right? So you slot it in here, and then you get this clip, and you do that, and you hook it around like this. So you cook it, you bake it like this, and then when it comes to try and get the cake out, you just simply, and the cake comes out. Bada boom, bada bing. Now, every time I've cooked in the past, this has gone horribly wrong because it always sticks to the side, and I can grease it up as much as I like, it just doesn't like to work. So, I got me some of these. Cake liners. I believe they're too big. Excellent. Hopefully, we should stop it from, sticking. Is the goal. Now we've got our slightly salted butter and spoon. Just gonna just the edges. Although this has never worked before in the past. Right, now to pour that into these. We get a spoon. And sort of, bake for 22 to 27 minutes. Oh, 27 minutes. Should I do them one at a time? No, that's what we're doing. We'll put it, set a timer for 25 minutes, put one in, take it out, and then put the other one. Get it in! Right, I'm going to set a timer for 25 minutes, and then check on it. And then hopefully that'll be good. The best part about any cooking experience?
Do not eat unbaked batter.
Ooh, look at that. Came out clean. Right. Now we leave this cool for 10 minutes. And I have no idea how this is going to work. Because I have never used this before. That's rock on. So we got some icing, we got some whatever these are. I just want the green, which is apple. Apparently it's flavoured. We got some these flowers. I really wanted the leaves, that's quite nice. And that's why I got the apple, because it kind of matches the same colour as the leaves. Yeah, so it's going to be a white canvas with a bunch of vines and leaves and flowers. Oh. Oh. Look at the size of the... So we know this is the size of our cake, right? So we know to roll it out to this size. Right, so this one needs to cool for just a little bit longer. I just took it out of the oven. But we can see how this one turned out. Ready? The moment of truth. Voila! Didn't stick to the pan. Excellent start. And I can remove it cleanly from the dish. That's looking pretty good so far. Now, for our cake to work, to have the icing around, first you have to cover it in this stuff here. Well, not exactly this stuff, but I couldn't find the grip stuff. Well, I could find the grip stuff, but not in the right way. There we go. Smells good. Okay, moment of truth, the sequel. This is still quite warm. Don't try to do cool tricks when baking a cake. Okay. Actually, this is very warm. Right. Boom. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Now all I need to do is cover the whole thing in a layer of that, not the kettle, this stuff, so that the icing will actually stick to the cake. Yeah. Hey. Good monk. Right. Now, I just need to wrap the sides. Well, it's a cake. Alright, I guess I just need to like smooth it over, I guess. Blend the edges. You know? How do regular chefs, bakers, blend the sides together? Okay, I should stop that. Okay, well, regardless of how the icing actually looks on the cake, here comes the fun bit. The decorating. Bunch of green swirls. Excellent. Right. So. One flower there. Ta-da! There we have it. Beautiful-ish flower cake. I don't think it looks half bad. Maybe 2-minute flower? Yeah, maybe 2-minute flowers, not of leaves, but yeah, forever. Well, here comes the moment of truth. I kind of don't want to cut into it. You know, it's like, it's gonna ruin it, you know. There's nothing. Just gonna grab a small sliver cake, you know? Oh. Okay, look at that. Gorgeous. Alright, here's the moment of truth. I got no icing on that. Give me that. You know what? You can say anything you like about how I made it, or what it looks like, and that's a piece of garbage. But this, or that it's a bit crumbly, well, that is one good tasting cake. Let's try flour. That's good.